So yes guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Here I am to improve my English. As you know, it's a day 37 of learning English. Today in this today videos, I am going to share you what kind of work I am doing right now. I just reached my site, in Ram Mandir. You can say Goregaon. I just completed my class and went here for work for shooting some raw clips for making a reel kind of ASMR type. So in today's video I am going to share you what kind of working is there going, and I will meet you to my worker's friend. He is very kind, and I am also kind. So yes, I am just entering the room, and this is the and this is the view. All workers are here working. Uncle Aftab bhai. Yes, uncle. Famous kar दूं? So yeah, this is the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area, uncle. Okay. And this is the balcony. I will show you the view of balcony you are getting here. It's literally awesome. It's literally awesome. Look at the view. Look at the view. Oh my God. There is a Ram Mandir station. There is a Goregaon station. So both stations are very nearby in this tower. From this tower. And look at the basement view. Oh my God. So yeah, this is the hall area. You can see this is the kitchen area and this is the hall area. So I'm going to share you first bedroom. That is the kid area bedroom, and this is also a kind of common washroom. And the first bedroom is here. Here is the kids area. This room will build for kids only. The kids only. Yes, look at the creativity, and the final look is here. I will show you the layout. This is the layout of this room. So this is basically stairs or a sliding bed, sitting area for the kids. This is the final look for this bedroom, and here the different layout I can see. So yes, this is the kid area. Then I will going to move for a second bedroom. He is my uncle is working there. Hi बोलो uncle.
Hi.
Yes. ऐसे करो, मैं बस सिखाया था ना आपको. Yes, cheers. So yes, this is the second bedroom. The work in progress. The work in progress. All the 3 and 4 workers are working here. So yeah. The room maybe looks like messy, but it's okay. This is the progress area. So I will show you the view of first bedroom. Kind of similar view of from the hall you are getting here. Yes. Yes. Everything is similar. The view is similar, but a different view you are getting from the second bedroom. So I am going to second bedroom. Yes. Uncles. This is our third bedroom. And the view are getting here different from the hall and the first bedroom. See the view. Oh my God. See. This is the view from the second bedroom. Yes. And he's a master bedroom called you are getting attached washroom. Right, uncle? Right. Right. Yes. Oh, so uncle saying he's making a bed, right? Yes. So yeah, the progress of the bird is here. He's a sweet uncle guy. Look at uncle. देखो, smile तो करो. Let's go, guys. So yes, I am just ending the vlog here. I think so. I will cover a lot of things from the site. This is the Goregaon site. And if you want more vlog about the site progress, so just comment down below. I am just ending the vlog from the balcony. So yes, that's it for the day. And here's uncle's stomach. Very. So yes, I am just ending the vlog here. Take care. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of your health and keep learning English. As well as this is the Yeah, this is the left area. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of your health. We will meet in day 38 of learning English. See you. I am very tired. You know, I just have to finish my work, and I went for the house because you know I have to edit my videos, edit my client videos. I have to post today. Oh, lots of work. Yes. See you in the next one. Bye bye. So yes guys, I just forgot to say to my all friend here, let's go and say bye to my friends. Bye. चलो अंकल जा रहा हूँ. अंकल जी. Yes. चलो भाई 2 लोग यहाँ पे हैं. चलिए जा रहा हूँ मैं. Bye. Bye. Yes. अंकल चलो बाय. ऐसे करो. गुड. चलो बाय बोलो. अंकल आप भी. यस. आफ्ताब भैया चलो मैं रहा हूँ. लेट हो रहा है मुझे. हाँ चलिए बाय. यस यस बाय बाय. सी यू द नेक्स्ट वन. Once again back. Sorry. I just want to tell you something about the workers. I don't want to say goodbye today. Just listen me, my brothers and sisters. So yes, whenever I go to the site, I just talk to them. Every workers are feeling very happy if I'm talking to them. I just talk to them. You had your lunch or not? When you come here, all these things kind of talk. I am just talking to them, so they feel very happy. So if you go somewhere, you find someone working out there, just talk with them. Just talking with them, you made someone days. In my way, you can say. Whenever I go, I just make a smile to his face. So yeah, this is the thing I want to tell you, brother. So yes, whenever you go, talk to them, please, and make them their day best. So yes, I just complete my work. I am going home. I have to edit and post today in the evening. I just say goodbye to all my friends, as you see in my video. So yes, I am just tired. Bye bye bye. See you in the next one.